Welcome to this detailed review of AlgoTrader, an automated trading bot that aims to make trading easier and more efficient. Whether you're into stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies, AlgoTrader promises to streamline the process and enhance your trading strategies. Let's start by looking at the main features of the platform. The interface is clean and user-friendly, designed for both beginners and experienced traders. Setting up AlgoTrader is relatively straightforward, with clear steps to integrate your preferred exchanges and financial instruments. The platform allows you to customize your trading strategies with a wide range of pre-built algorithms or even design your own. AlgoTrader supports multiple asset classes, including stocks, forex, and crypto, which makes it versatile for different types of traders. One of the standout features of AlgoTrader is its real-time data integration. The bot receives live market data and adjusts its trading decisions based on the latest information, ensuring your strategies are always up to date. Another key aspect is the risk management tools, which are essential for anyone looking to minimize potential losses. AlgoTrader also offers backtesting, a feature that's crucial for refining your strategies before deploying them live. This means you can test your trading ideas using historical market data to see how they would have performed in different conditions. As for performance, AlgoTrader delivers solid results. But as with any automated system, results may vary depending on your settings and the market conditions. Many traders report steady returns over time, especially when using the bot with a well-planned strategy. While AlgoTrader is packed with advanced features, it's also accessible for newcomers. The platform provides helpful tutorials and customer support to ensure you're never left in the dark. For those looking to get started, you can choose from different subscription plans depending on the features you need. The pricing is competitive compared to other trading bots in the market, though it's important to evaluate your trading needs to select the right plan. Many useful links can be found in the description below to help you further explore AlgoTrader and learn more about its capabilities. If you're serious about automating your trading and want to test AlgoTrader for yourself, be sure to check out the links in the description to get started. Remember, automated trading can take your strategies to the next level, but it's essential to monitor your trades regularly. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more trading bot reviews and tips. Happy trading!